Nobody's business, I live it, and time be living. I pivot, I climb dimensions. The resistance of my decisions, these rhymes will divine existence. Gotta get the vacuum in this blow to outer spaces. All we know, take out complacent, lost, get phased, and dodges places. My new home, I've been Macaulay, I've been stalking. Melancholy, but scheming, hoping. So Vinny's try to get me, I'd be grinning, leave a broken hearted, so it's hard to show the stars that grow regardless of those wrapped up in the evils of the time. The souls of darkness has been turned into a target, with a side to the margin. Being a massive drink's the only way to get the hardest. Is it worth it? Will I spend my time here searching for something certain to defend some type of purpose? Looking for the needle in a sack behind the curtains. Got no money, that's a purchase. What a church is. I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. Yeah, I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. Yeah, I gotta get mine. Yeah, I gotta get mine. Stop till I gotta get mine. Don't let. Yeah, I gotta get mine. Yeah, I gotta get mine. Until I get mine. Won't stop till I get mine. I gotta get mine.
Getting mine on this Sesame Street beat for the second time. In fact, the third time will be easy. I don't quit, I'm like her body. I belt rhymes like karate from the diaphragm straight to the audience. It's dark in here inside of this Klonopin bottle. Drugs seem to be the only thing I'm honoring. The struggle gets exhausting, shit. I try to be positive, but negative charges cost a bit. Confidence is like a conduit on the road to infinite accomplishment. I simply can't commit. At least I'm honest, it is not no accident that I've been gone from this. Reached a point of no return, and now I'm trying to ponder it. I wonder if there's more to life than obvious. If hip-hop was a food, I'd be a condiment. And I want my shit to have a subtle flavor. If hip-hop was Russia, I'd be a communist.
I gotta get mine. Yeah, I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. Yeah, I gotta get mine. Yeah, I gotta get mine. Stop till I gotta get mine. Don't let. Yeah, I gotta get mine. Yeah, I gotta get mine. Until I get mine. Won't stop till I get mine. I gotta get mine.
away from my feelings. Still don't know no better, baby. Late night drug dealing. Always one time for my feelings. Lately nothing makes sense, except for being with you. Love don't pay the rent, but baby, love songs do. I'm off my own, chakra bone, shaka boom, baby boom. Fuck around and catch some feelings, let them bloom, shape the room. I don't bruise, live a little with it, but a crew. Bumps in the back with the bruise, what the fuck can I lose? Stick shift stuck on cruise control, I'ma lose control, I'm off that. I'm off that. I'm off that. I'm off that.
Bust when I cross time bridge, pump full of drugs to the left type bitch.
Trying up to mostly do right. Old devices were sold on Vice. Now I slide through like gold on ice. She's so my type, and so I strobe my lights. Got a number and a call last night. All my life been controlled by pride, but I formed mine twice and the door's quite right. When she crossed my sights, I'll unfold my bite. Ayy, sitting by the moonlight, and I won't let you fall. I just want us to fly, let it take control. Float above skyscrapers, and I don't wanna pump my brakes, cause I would rather see where this buzz might take us. Kissing by the moonlight, and I won't let you fall. I just want us to fly, sail upon the wall. The city's cold and it's mechanical. Our souls are incompatible with all of theirs, and their songs of fear.
I ran away from my feelings. Still don't know no better, baby. Late night drug dealing. Always one time for my feelings. Lately nothing makes sense, except for being with you. Love don't pay the rent, but baby, love songs do. I'm off my own, chakra bone, shaka boom, baby boom. Fuck around and catch some feelings, let them bloom, shape the room. I don't bruise, live a little with it, but a crew. Bumps in the back with the bruise, what the fuck can I lose? Stick shift stuck on cruise control, I'ma lose control, I'm off that. I'm off that. I'm off that. I'm off that.
Bust when I cross time bridge, pump full of drugs to the left type bitch.
What you thought this was, what you think it is, what you trying to say. Ay, fuck it, I'ma do it all faith. Dust in my chest and a blunt in my face. Come from a place where what matters don't matter. What matters is scattered all over the map. I don't see nothing, really it's nothing but bitch, I'm a dip.